Hello guys, welcome to CodeStudio. In this session, we will discuss about what is Pandas libraries, how to install, and also we'll work on some basic examples. Pandas library is used to read, write, manipulate the data. This can be used to read, write data from files like a CSV, Excel, and JSON, and databases such as MySQL, Oracle, and SQL Server, etc. And also this can be used to read the data, Python list, and dictionary variables. Now we'll see how to install Pandas library. So basically, there are so many options to install Pandas. In our case, we will use Anaconda prompt and pip command to install because we already have Anaconda installed in our machine. Let us see how to install Pandas library using pip command. Open your Anaconda prompt. Type pip command. Pip install Pandas. Click on enter button. As Pandas has already been installed in my system, so that's why I'm getting message like this: requirement already satisfied. If it is not yet installed, it will get installed in our local machine. We will use Jupyter Notebook to execute Python commands. Following command to be used to open the Jupyter Notebook. It will take few seconds to open the Jupyter Notebook. I have one data file called income_data.csv, okay, which is having a details about employees and their age and salaries. Okay, we will try to use our Pandas library to read this this CSV file and perform few numerical operations like maximum salary and minimum salaries. So I'll use CodeStudio as a folder for my Python script. So to open a Python notebook, click on new, click on Python 3 because the Python 3 is installed in my system. Now first command would be import Pandas library. To import Pandas library, we have to use a command called import Pandas. Now I'll give an alias to this library as pd. Click on run button. Okay, so there is no error. It means it's already been installed successfully in our machine. Now to read the CSV file, we have to use a function called read CSV. So first of all, we will create a the data frame object or the Pandas object. We will create an object called the data frame. And to read this CSV, we have to use a function called read CSV. In bracket, in single quote, you have to pass your file name with extension. So we have a file name called income_data.csv. And I'm not giving any external path, okay, along with the file name because the file name and my Python script both are in the same location. If the file is placed in the different location, then we need to pass the file path, full file path as well. So now run this command. It's been executed. Now let's see what values this variable, this object will hold. Okay, so from the screen you can see this object is holding the complete CSV data, okay, in a tabular format having rows and columns. Now to access individual columns, what is the command? Now let's see. So using the brackets and inside the bracket single quotes, and now place the column name. So I have to access income column so that I could perform the numerical or the group by functions on this column. So now let's see whether I could able to access the column values or not using this command. Yes, now I can access. Now we will perform few group by functions on this column, like finding the max salary, minimum salary. To get max salary, we have a function called max. So this is the command dot max of function. Okay, run this. Now you will get, this is my max salary available in this income column. Similarly, to get a minimum value, okay, same command, just change the function name. So this is our minimum salary available in our income column. Okay, so like these functions, we do have a huge number of the functions available with the pandas libraries, so which we can see later in our upcoming tutorials. So that's all for now, guys. If you like our videos, please click on like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.